Hello and welcome to our review of the latest iPhone model, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the key features of this new device. Let's start with the display. The iPhone 14 Pro Max features a massive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with always-on and promotion technology. This display is activated with a new 1 Hz refresh rate, and it has technologies to reduce energy consumption, depending on the use. This display supports a brightness setting of up to 2000 nits, which is twice the brightness of the iPhone 13 Pro. Additionally, the screen is protected by ceramic shield, making it resistant to drops, dust, and water. Moving on to the camera, the iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a photonic engine that ensures better photos in medium and low light for all cameras through hardware and software. The photonic engine enables this increase in quality by applying deep fusion earlier in the imaging process to provide excellent detail and preserve fine textures, deliver better color and retain more information in a photo. The Pro series features a new 48 megapixels main camera with a 4-pixel sensor and second-generation sensor shift optical image stabilization. Additionally, the phone has an ultra-wide 12 megapixels camera with 1.4 micrometers pixels, which provides images with more details, and an improved telephoto camera that offers 3x optical zoom. The phone also features a new adaptive True Tone flash with an array of 9 LEDs that change patterns depending on the selected focal length. Other camera features include night mode, Smart HDR4, portrait mode with portrait lighting, portrait photos in night mode, photographic styles to personalize the look of each photo, and Apple Pro RAW. The A16 processor powers the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which has 6 cores and a 5-core GPU with 50% more memory bandwidth, making it ideal for games and applications. It also features a new 16-core neural engine capable of almost 17 trillion operations per second. Using Apple's Fusion architecture to combine performance and power saving, the chip delivers high performance. Additionally, the CPU, GPU, neural engine, and the image signal processor work together seamlessly to support the camera and perform up to 4 trillion operations per photo. The phone also has an all-day battery life, with up to 29 hours of video playback. Finally, Apple has made an effort to reduce the environmental impact of the iPhone 14 Pro Max by removing the plastic wrap from the packaging, avoiding the use of 600 tons of plastic. The package includes a USB-C to Lightning cable to charge your iPhone, but it does not include headphones or a charger. This makes the box smaller, which results in more devices per load and less energy spent transporting them. Overall, the iPhone 14 Pro Max seems to be a significant upgrade from its predecessor, with a powerful camera, a stunning display, and improved performance.